Taking screenshots on a Mac is easy. If you want to take a screenshot of the whole screen, press Command-Shift-3 on your keyboard. You'll notice a small preview image popping up in the bottom right of your screen. If you wait a couple seconds, it will disappear and you'll now find a screenshot on your desktop. If you can't see the image because of other windows being in the way, open up a Finder window and click on Desktop in the sidebar on the left. You also have the option to click on the preview image in the bottom right before it goes away. If you do this, you'll get the option to edit the screenshot before it's saved. Here you can add text, draw, crop, rotate and more. This is great if you need to give feedback on something. Another way to take a screenshot is by pressing Command-Shift-4. This will let you take a screenshot of a certain part of the screen. After pressing Command-Shift-4, use the mouse to click and drag to select an area to screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of a specific application window, you can press Command-Shift-4 and then press Spacebar. Now just click on any window to capture just that. The fourth and final way to take a screenshot is using the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-5. This will enable a screenshot tool that can actually do all of the things already mentioned, along with recording video of your screen. You also have an options menu where you can choose where to save the screenshot, set the timer and more. I also just want to mention a fifth keyboard shortcut, Command-Shift-6. If you have a new MacBook Pro, you can use this keyboard shortcut to take a screenshot of the touch bar. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.